So I'm gonna make some like tufts of dried grass kind of things. Maybe I'll paint them. I don't think so because I don't really care for them when they're painted. Maybe I'll try to paint some. So I picked up some chip brushes at the Dollar General. I think they were $3.75 for a pack of 3. Got plenty of these. Got plenty of them. So we're going to try a couple things. I did this before, and I used Elmer's glue, like white glue, a cheap dollar store brand Elmer's glue. I used Arlene's tacky glue, and that was my original test, and that's why I have like white glue here and A for Arlene's there. Both of them did not work as well as I wanted them to. What did work was matte medium, and this worked the best. Okay, worked the best. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and I don't really know what I'm going to do. I'm going to just take this little brush, and I don't know. We'll see. So what I did was I used some matte medium, and this is Elmer's, or not Elmer's. This is the quick and thick type on glue, the white stuff. The clearer stuff is the matte medium. Yeah, so I think I don't really know what I'm going to do. I don't really want to cut the whole thing because I don't want to make a mess, you know what I mean? I think I'll take a clump and... interesting. Hold on. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. I'm got a little clamp, put the brush in there, put a little weight on there, and I'm just grabbing some of them, cutting them. Oh, hang on. It's hard to work with the camera in a way. And then just plopping them down. The one thing about I'm going to show you about the quick and thick is it's really thick, right? So here I'm going to put it on the what do you call it? Matte medium. It holds pretty well, right? Yeah, it holds pretty well. I was just concerned that it wasn't going to hold as well as the quick and thick. And just on a side note, you can get these chip brushes cheaper at Harbor Freight. Okay, you can get like a box of them for like $8 or something. There's like 24 in there or something like that. But that's basically it, right? Yeah. So you just saw that kind of didn't stick up too well because it's not really a big glob. Neither is that one. Let's go over to the quick and thick. Stick it in there. Stays in there better. Yeah, I kind of like the quick and thick better than the matte medium. Okay. But you mess with it and you decide what you like better. All right. That's basically it. Right? Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. And then once they dry, you could take them and kind of give them some shape if you want to. Right? I'm getting this crap all over me. Let me just wipe it up. That's good. Yeah. So I'm going to take this, bring this over to this side. And go from there. Yeah. So if you get even if you get the really wide brush, I think what makes them nice is that irregularity of the top of the bristles, right? Once you start cutting that off, I mean, then you could just shape it if you wanted to, and, you know, go from there. But and again, you could just shape them, trim them up, give them a haircut later, right? But yeah, that's one way to make some little dried clumps of grass. You could use static grass too. Some taller static grass, shorter static grass, whatever. I think like maybe 6 millimeter would work pretty good. I don't know for a fact, but it's just what I would try. I wanted to go over to Yankee Dabbler and get some, but it's kind of crappy out. I don't feel like dealing with the weather. But yeah, that's about it, man. Make your own little Tuffs. You know, these things are expensive. You get them from that Mark Wahlberg, or I think that's the name of the company. They're not cheap. Get like a little mat of them. And all this is wax paper. Right? You need wax paper for to peel up, right? And that's all it is wax paper. And some glue. Again, I wasn't happy with Elmer's, but if you want to use Elmer's, go ahead. I'm sure it'll work. Any glue that will beat up like that and not run will be good. If it runs, then it's obviously not going to work, right? It's got to form that little drop. You remember those candies you used to get it as a kid? I'm making a really mess. Good thing I got my new little vacuum. I can suck it up. Maybe that'll be my next video. But this is about it. I guess you can keep going with this little brush or cut the rest off with an X-Acto knife. Maybe pry this up and see if you can get more out of it. But yeah, give it a try. Let me know how you make out. Till the next one. Catch us later. Don't forget, like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Take care. Have a good day.